Hi everyone, I'm Siu from One Stop Solution, and in this video I will show you how to use volume button if not working while using WhatsApp. This is important because being able to adjust audio levels is crucial during calls or when listening to voice messages. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Apps option. Look for the WhatsApp app in the list of apps and tap on it. In the WhatsApp settings, locate the microphone option. Tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it off and then turn it back on. Now, open WhatsApp and check if the volume button is working. If the issue continues, your WhatsApp may need an update. Go to the App Store, search for WhatsApp and tap Update if any update is available. And this is how you can use volume button if not working while using WhatsApp. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.